guys, so today I'm going to do my Ipsy unbagging, and this month I have two Ipsys to unbag. One is for my mom and one's for me. So the first one I'm going to unbag is my mom's. This is so cute. Look what it looks like. It's so cute with the butterflies. It comes with this card, and it also has this Ofra Cosmetics blush, which is in such a pretty color. I hope I got this one too. My mom's so lucky to get this one. And I'm just going to take a swatch of it so you can see what it looks like. Oh, well, I guess you can't really see on my screen. This is what it looks like. Why did it make such a weird sound? Okay, so there's also this Meech and Mia, what is this? Oh, eyeshadow. It's like a pretty, really shimmery color. It's pretty, but I don't really want to open it. I don't know if she wants to open it or not. But yeah. Oh, there's also this brush. It is a crease brush. Oh, it's a blending brush. Yeah. So it's like it's kind of hard, but it's still a really nice brush. Brushes are always super cool to get. There's also a Lips Ultra Moisturizing Lip Balm and a Laboratories Filorga mask, smoothing radiance mask. This looks super cool. I wonder if she'll like that. So yeah, that was everything that was in my mom's. Now I'm gonna open my Ipsy and see what I got. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing in my bag is it's not the same one as my mom's, but it is another brush. This one's a lot softer by Firma. I don't know. Firma Beauty, yeah. So this is the brush. It feels nice. I really like it. I don't know if you could see it, but it's just like super cool. Yeah, I like it. So now what's in my bag is Luna by Luna eyeshadow. I think this is an eyeshadow. Ooh, eyeshadow, yeah. I like this kind a lot more than the like loose powder one. But this is the color I would totally wear. But I might already have this one. Actually, it's in Spiced Pumpkin. Let me see if I take a swatch of that. Yeah, that one's definitely one I would wear. That's super cool. Wait, can you see it? Or, yeah. So there's that. Next I have a Pure Lease Coconut Oil plus Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. And, yeah, it's like, don't really like that, but oh well. I also got this in the same color my mom did. Oh yeah, this Ofra in the same color my mom did. And then lastly I got this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. But this liquid lipstick looks like it won't maybe stay on that well because it's like super shiny. But we'll see. It's also in a color I have like a million of these, but that's okay. So I would say my favorite thing in this month's bag was probably the Ofra blush, because the Ofra is like such a good brand and such a nice color. I think it'll look good on like so many different people. So that was everything I got in my Ipsy for April, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll do more of these unboxings because I love Ipsy so much. And just thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye. Wait, how do I turn this off? Let me see.